The Threefold Divinity of Nature, Poetry for Awakening Your Soul by Anna Jane Wilson. My heart is wise, my mind in haste, concerns of this world, which force to waste. Precious years to rejoice and shine, in this world make pure and divine. My mind's eye sees a feeding society, it bleeds my child and feeds my insecurity. 1 minute away from self-surrender, a dynamic attraction between one and another. The universe speaks and lends its support, providing a belief and hope in thought. To become one involves another, the unity of man, of mother and father. A child from within bursting to be held, to breathe the next minute, mind, body and soul. The Threefold Divinity of Nature. Good night, dear Lord.